Hello, Kodo family. This is Amy from the customer service team here at Kodo Kids. I am going to show you how to replace a knob on your Light Lab panel. So this is what it looks like when your knob is missing. You can see that these ones are on just fine, but this one has come off. Now, if you look carefully, you will see that there are two pegs on your Light Lab knob assembly. This top peg is there to keep the knob from being over rotated. You can see that that top knob just goes in this little channel here, and it, prevents the knob from getting wrenched off. This bottom knob is the actual knob that controls the light feature. So in your replacement knob package, you received a screw. You can see the screw right inside there. The knob itself. You receive a spacer. You receive a Allen wrench, little bitty Allen wrench, also it's sometimes called a hex key. And you will receive a package containing a little bitty container of Loctite. This stuff is the stuff that we're going to put a little dab of it on the threads of our screw, and then that is going to keep that screw from easing back out over time. Try to keep that knob on as long as possible. The first order of business is let's get our spacer on. You can see that it matches up with the two pegs. It just pops on just like that. The next order of business is the Loctite and the screw. We are going to take our little Allen wrench. We're going to insert it on the outside hole of our knob. And we're just going to actually over insert it so that we get a good amount of those threads poking out in the middle. And now what we're going to do, so we've got a good amount of threads poking out. Zoom in. You can see plenty of threads. Let us get our Loctite. And we're going to just put a little dab. Can't tell if it's going. Let's push out a dab first. There we go. Okay, that is definitely dabbed. Okay, let's put away our Loctite. Now, so we want to orient our knob. Let's back that screw back out. And now that Loctite on those threads, they're going to help connect the screw to the threads inside the knob. We don't have to go completely out. That's plenty right there. So the side where that screw is coming in is going to be on the bottom part of our knob. We're going to orient this half moon of the peg so that the flat side is also down. And then we're going to pop our knob on. I got to ease it back a little more, I think. And let's get that on there. There we go. You can see that it's catching the little half moon. Now we're going to tighten that up. You don't have to keep the hole pointing down once you got that knob on oriented properly. We're going to tighten that up until it's nice and snug. There we go. I got a couple of little clicks. We don't want to over tighten. All right, that is tightened up. Oof, there we go. And now our knob is all replaced. I hope that helps. I hope you have a lot of enjoyment out of your Light Lab panel. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call. Our number is 1-844-563-6543. Thank you.